Thanks for watching my video. Here is another brilliant question from one of our subscriber. We are working on probability when there are two urns, each with red and white balls, and they are randomly picked. Let us enjoy this journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss a very interesting question on probability. It has been shared by one of our subscribers. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and posting excellent comments. The question here is: the contents of two urns is as follows. Urn A contains 3 red and 2 white balls. Urn B contains 2 red and 5 white balls. An urn is selected at random. A ball is drawn and put in another urn. Then a ball is drawn from the second urn. Find the probability that both balls drawn are of the same color. Extremely interesting question. Let us see how do we solve it. So we are going to solve it using a tree diagram. So let's say we have these two urns. So urn 1, let's say, has got 3 red. Let me write out as 3 red, 3R, right? And 2 white. The second urn, which is, let's say, has 2 red and five white. So let me just. So assume that they are absolutely similar urns. So probability of selecting either one of them is also same, right? Now it says an urn is selected at random. So let's call this as urn A and that as urn B. So a ball is drawn. So let's say first you have to select a particular urn, right? So let's begin by making our choices. First we choose randomly either A or B, right? So what is the probability of selecting the urn A? It is half. And for B also is half, correct? Now once you select the urn, after that from A you take out a ball. You could either take a red or a white. So at this stage we have two scenarios. So you could take a red ball or a white ball. The probability for red is 2 out of 5 since there are 5 balls in it, right? And for white it is, for red it is 3 out of 5. 3 red balls and 2 white. Correct. In case you had selected B, in that case for red and white, what is the probability? For B, 2 red out of 7 and 5 white out of 7. Correct. Now we have gone to the first stage, that is drawn a ball. Now, what happens next is a ball is drawn and put in another urn. So from here, you will put it in B, correct? So let us say you have taken out red and then second time you have to draw. Then a ball is drawn from the second urn after you put that ball from A to B, for example. So now What happens? In this case, you are drawing ball from the second urn. Now, if red was taken in the first case and added to B, in that case in B, what do we have? We have additional red and 8 balls in all, right? So it is 3 out of 8 for red. Makes sense. And if we draw white, then there are 3 red and 5 white, 8 in all. So 5 out of 8 is the probability of picking up white. Does make sense to you, right? So let's follow the same procedure and do what happens if from A white was taken out. In that case, what was the scenario? Well, if white was taken from A and placed into B, B will have 6 whites and 2 reds. So the probability for red will be, since 2 only there, right, out of 8. But as far as white is concerned, it becomes 6 out of 8. Is that clear to you? Correct? Now let's continue with the other set. So if the urn B was used first, selected first, in that case, getting another red will be, now red was picked from B and placed into A, right? So in A now we have 4 reds and total number is 6. So this is 4 out of 6. But if white is drawn with red first, then 4 and 2, 6. So it is 2 out of 6. The last case is when from urn B you draw a white and place this white in red, right? So you place it in, and then if you draw red, so place this white in urn A, so white becomes 3 now. So total we have got 6. So red will be 3 out of 6. Another white added, so that is also 3 now. So that is also 3 out of 6. Correct? Because now, once you add a white to urn A, total number will be 3 red, 3 white. So probability is 3 by 6, 3 by 6. So that becomes a tree diagram. You see that? Now the question is, find the probability that both balls drawn are of the same color. So means red first and then also red, right? So we are following this path, that means one of them. Is that clear to you? So if I follow this path, then the probability is half times 3 by 5 times 3 by 8. Makes sense? So that is one. The other case could have been that you draw white and then again a white, right? So in that case, it will be half times 2 by 5 times 6 by 8. Correct. Now, if urn B was selected first and red was drawn, then another red gives you what? So half for taking up B, 2 by 7 for taking red, and then again red is 4 out of 6. But if white was taken from B first, in that case again a white will give you the next match, which is half of 5 by 7 and then 3 by 6. Makes sense. So basically, you have to add all of them to get the answer. Does make sense to you, right? So that is what the probability will be in this particular case. So I hope the method is clear, right? In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top. Now you can actually add them all and get the result, right? So, so let's do that. So total probability will be what? So let's add them all, right? So we have half of 3 by 5 times this, which is, you can just multiply 9 over 8 times 5, 40 times 2, 80, right? Now, here also 6 times 2 is 12 over 80, right? This case is 6 times 7 is 42. 42 is 84 when you double it, and 4 times 2 is 6. We are not simplifying them yet. And the last one is also from 84. 5 times 3, 15. So we have to add these quantities, correct? And get the result. You could simplify and then also add, right? Not an issue. So, so the total is how much? So once you add them, you can write down. So let's do this addition and write down the probability. So I'm using calculator. We have got very less space here. So 9 divided by 80 plus 12 divided by 80 plus 6 divided by 84 plus 15 divided by 84. And that gives me 41 over 80, which is equal to, in decimals, around 0.51, right? So in percent, it is 51%. You get the idea. So the probability of drawing both of the same color is almost 50%, more than that. Perfect. So that is how you're going to answer this question. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Also, we are looking for those who can, if possible, support by donations, support for quality education being provided worldwide. Thank you and all the best. At this stage, let me also thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, appreciating them. We are also looking forward for some of you who, if they can, also support quality education. In that case, please send an email to us and discuss the options for quality education worldwide. Thanks for your support.